There's his crop, nice and full. It's just checking that the little baby is getting some food because he's tiny compared to the other two. So this one is Cupid. Little beak forming, his little crops, he's feeding very well. Just put the camera here, as you can see the size difference. His Pancake. See his little eyes opening there. There's Pancake, and he should have a nice full crop as well, yeah. And I'll just quickly get... And here's Stir Fry. The first baby, as you can see, a lot bigger. And he's getting lots of lovely little feathers on him. Oh, his little eyes, look. So there's the 3 babies all doing well. I'll put him back now because I don't want the mum to get too stressed.